As a homeowner, outdoor maintenance is one of those tasks we have to do, and many of us look for ways to make it easier. Around our yard, leaf cleanup in the fall and spring is a big task. So I've made it easier by using a leaf vacuum instead of raking. Here's the video I created for Amazon that shows how I use the Black & Decker leaf blower and vacuum to make this task a lot easier in our yard. Last year, I decided to get a leaf vacuum because the raking was just hurting my shoulders too much. I got the Black & Decker leaf blower and vacuum. Now I've only used the blower part of it once because around here, the wind always blows the leaves back to where they were. So let me show you why I love the leaf vacuum feature of this device. To switch from the blower to the vacuum, you detach the nozzle and press the button in to remove the bottom plate. The button you have to press in is inside this hole, so you need a screwdriver or something hard to push through the hole. Now this is a bit of a pain, but if you don't put the blower plate back on, it's really not a problem. Then connect the vacuum plate to the power unit by putting the one side in the notch and rotating the other side until it clicks into the power unit. And make sure you hear the click locking it in place. One great feature is that it comes with a backpack bag to capture the leaves, and you connect the hose from the bag to the vacuum base. Again, make sure it clicks in place. Now, the end of the bag needs to be closed. So what I do is I flip the end over twice and then clip the two sides together using the clip that's on each side. Put it on your back and you're ready for the next leaf pile. Now this is a corded vacuum, so you do need a long extension cord. Now I have a couple of long extension cords I connect together to be able to reach all the corners of our yard. Slide the cord close to the end under the hook on the power unit so the cord is held in place. Then you can connect the cord to the power unit plug. Each time you use it, connect the vacuum hose and power cord. Make sure you have your safety glasses and ear protection on before you start. Turn the power unit on to start vacuuming. Now I've found that a sweeping motion works best. Don't try to pick up too much at one time or it will clog. If branches get picked up, just turn the power unit off, remove the branches, and start again. You've got a sense of how heavy the bag gets when it's close to full, and you can feel it with your hand to also check. When it's full, unplug the cord first, then remove the hose from the power unit. To empty the bag, remove it from your back and unclip the one end. Unroll the end and make sure it opens, then dump the leaves. Now we use a lot of leaves to provide insulation of some sensitive plants during the winter, but the bag makes it easy to dump them into a leaf pickup bag or wherever you dispose of leaves. Now before you start the next pile of leaves, disconnect the vacuum base from the power unit and check that there are no leaves stuck inside. Clean them out if you see anything. If the leaves are damp or they have long stems like maple leaves, I find it clogs more frequently, so I check every time. If you smell a burning smell while using the vacuum, stop the unit, unplug the power, and check for a clog. I love my Black & Decker leaf vacuum. In fact, I took it over to a buddy's house to help him last year, and after he saw how it worked, he went and bought his own. So I don't have to go over and help him this year. If you want to make leaf cleanup a lot easier this year, I recommend you look at a leaf vacuum. I'll link to the one that I use in the description down below. If you need to upgrade the external outlets on your house so you can run this leaf vacuum or other tools outside, here's my video on how you can upgrade from an old outdoor outlet to a new, safer one. Thanks for watching.